Hi everyone, this is Gabby at Our Decorative Nest, and today I have a really fun craft I'm excited to share with you for the fall season and Halloween. So I was shopping at my local Goodwill and I found this sign for just $2 and I had to get it. So to start, I am going to start sanding it just so it has that more gritty texture for when we get to painting it. So for this project, I am using the home decor chalk paint just to get it so it covers over the sign a little bit better. I did use 2 to 3 coats of paint. I went in a couple times, but depending on the kind of sign that you get, you might have to do less or more. For this project, I also did use a sponge because I did want it to have that textured look to it. Do you have any guesses what this sign is going to be yet? Alright, so next I am going in with my black paint, and if you haven't guessed yet in the comments, each panel is going to be a super cute ghosty. So for this project, I really wanted to have some fun. I wanted to give them a couple different faces and different expressions, so I hope you guys love how they look. One of my favorite things to do in the fall and Halloween season is to decorate with some cute little decor. Do you like a cute home decor or do you like spooky home decor for the fall and Halloween season? Alright, and next I am going in with some ribbon. I am making little bows and bow ties for these guys. I thought they just needed a little bit more sprucing up. So I did some purple and then some black and white ribbon just to give it those finishing touches. And honestly, when you're making over one of these signs for yourself that if you find at the Goodwill, you could really use any colors that are Halloween themed. You could use purple. That would also look really cute for the accents for these little ghosties. Alright, you guys, here is the final look at our little ghosties. I absolutely love how they came out for Halloween. They're going to look so cute hanging on the front door. I hope you get the chance to craft something similar for your front door. Thank you so much for continuing to support Our Decorative Nest. Don't forget to sprinkle this video and like the video. Happy Halloween!